There's a bed with appears to be blood. We found blood. Oh my god. That is so freaking gross. Alrighty guys, so just finished hiking Amboy Crater. Super hungry, so we're gonna get some grub. We're gonna go into the town of Amboy, check out Roy's Cafe. From my understanding, over at Roy's, they have simple food. It's like hot dogs or hamburgers. It's something, again, nothing really special. So whatever they have, we're just gonna take it. And then after that, we're gonna go into the city. We're gonna do some exploring, check out some of the abandoned buildings. And just to let you guys know, if you never heard of the city of Amboy or don't know what it's about, it's actually a semi-ghost town. And what I mean by that, there's only 4 people that live out here, okay? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, you heard correctly. 4 people that reside out here. So if you do come out here, please be respectful because there are residents. But for the most part, guys, it's a ghost town. So can't wait to go check it out. So let's get this going and let's get some grub. All right, guys. Hey guys, I'm over here at Amboy, and they charged me $15 for a combo for a hot dog, some potato chips, and a drink. $15 for that. So if you guys come out to Amboy, be prepared. I think gas, I'm gonna check out the gas right now, but again, I think it's like $5 a gallon. So, but as you can see, the famous Roy sign in the back. So I'm gonna try to sneak the drone in and get some footage over here of this old hotel too. So they have it all locked up. So we'll get some footage inside and just kind of let you know what we're looking at here. Again, here it is, US 66, Route 66, founded in 1858. Vital rest stop for the weary, drenched travelers seeking better life in California. Amboy owned and operated by Juan Pollo Restaurants. So if you guys are familiar with the Juan Pollo Restaurants down in ways here, Southern California, they got pretty big. So yeah, the owner owns all this whole town. So but there it is. Again, Roy's Hotel and Cafe. Be ready to pay some money because that's what you'll do. But they actually have a little roadside tour here. You can check out the old hotels or motels that they had. Check this out. You got an old couch right here you can sit on. This is one of the rooms. So I'm not going to sit on it because I don't know what has been on it. But so here's just kind of one of the hotel rooms. It's got some tagging on it. There's a shower. And I just got some drone shots. You want to look good? There's a mirror. So there's actually, I don't know, you could walk through a few of them here. I'm sure these were like suites or something at one point. But here we go, we got some more right here. So yeah, these were the motel. There's a bed with appears to be blood. Look, there's blood. We found blood. Oh my god. That is so freaking gross. But we found blood. So again, there's that. So the post office is right there across the street. You can see that. I guess there's a pretty decent bar down the way a little bit. I'm not going to drive that far. Let's go see. Looks like there's a church over there. So let's go drive over there. Let's go check out the church and see what that has as well. Let's go. All right, guys. So we're over here by the church, which is right across the street from Roy's. But I want to make a quick stop before we walked over there. Check this out. Isn't this interesting right here? I don't know what this is about. If you guys know what this is about, I have no idea. But it looks like the people's mass and everything else. So just kind of one of those weird things people do. But yeah, check that out. Bunch of bottles and who knows what else right there, but I have no idea what this is about. So again, if you guys do, let me know in the comments on why this is here, or if you're from Amboy and you know why, let me know. All right, let's go take a walk over here to the church. My batteries are done on the drone, so otherwise I would have gotten a little drone shot on this, but we'll just walk. Did a lot of walking today, so, but there's a lot of places over here that are abandoned and just kind of seeing what's going on. I mean, I see a trailer over here, but I don't know if that's actually somebody's property or whatnot. Again, the post office has a trailer right there. So there's a lot of cables and stuff too. So that was kind of why I didn't want to take the drone. I saw some cables back at the hotel over there. So I was like, yeah, just better safe than sorry. Don't want to stir a ruckus or anything. So it looks like the windows are all busted out of this church. But again, guys, stepping into history here, Amboy's been here since 1858. Now it's pretty much a ghost town. Must have been a waterfall or something. Maybe, oh, you can go through. Oh. Look. So it looks like it's all boarded up. I was gonna shove the camera in there and just see what we can get, but yeah, it's all boarded up. I just tripped. Lots of glass. But again, here's the church. Oh shit, if I would have known that, I could have put the drone in there. Got some pews, piano. I mean, there's nothing left of this place. So we'll walk through this building over here, but yeah, the main chapel's all sealed up. I'm sure there's probably a way to get in if should ask nicely. Hello, anybody there? I don't see a lot of tagging. Wood's rotted out. Goes outside. Bathroom. What does that say? You are my clean needle. Oh, lovely. Matter of fact, speaking of needles, I just had a semi-nice conversation. I'm sorry. Had an interesting conversation. Folks were up from Yucca Valley, and I think she was a little miffed up, if you know what I mean. But she got stranded out here, and trying to find her ride back or something and go back to Arizona. But yeah, when I had that lunch over there, it was it was an interesting conversation, and telling me all her problems, and charged for drug possession and yada yada yada. So yeah, interesting. But here it is, guys. I gotta tell you, these trains, they come out pretty often. They're always on the move. I've never heard or seen so many trains in a few hours in my life. But so again, the big highlight is the cafe and whatnot. I'm kind of curious to see if they light it up, or at least the sign. That'd be kind of cool. Maybe I'll get a night drone shot of that. But for the most part, guys, if you come out here, expect to pay high prices. There's really not much out here. Was it worth the 2.5 hour trip if I was to come explore by myself or with somebody? Probably not. I'm sure there's other places that are way better, but it's history. Nothing wrong with history. All right, guys, so checking out this, saw these houses right now as we came in, and I went to check these out, so as before we left, but let's see what these are about. Hello? Yeah, I don't think anybody lives here. Hello? So we're not going to go into the houses. Obviously, they have no trespassing signs all over the place. So we're not going to go in. I'll just put the camera in and just kind of see what these houses were like back in the day. But that one looks really old. So hello? Couch, trash. Hello? I don't know about you, but this is kind of the house I wanted to see. I was hoping this one wasn't as boarded up, but fortunately it is. Hopefully we don't see no snakes. Oh, here we go. We got a broken window right here. Hello? So, it's about the best I can do, guys. Look, it's open. Do we dare go inside? I'm not going inside. But I don't know if you guys could see that. The GoPro's picking it up, but pink and blue. So looks like a barn or something over there, but I mean, for the most part, everything's pretty much taken out. I mean, it's obvious nobody's lived here for years and years, so I swear I got a freaking rock in my shoe. It's been bugging me. So here's another house, kind of the back entrance here, water heater. People just destroyed stuff. Kind of go, hello? Nobody's in. Yeah, pretty crazy stuff, man. I don't know, I couldn't live out here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but again, it looks like some sort of maybe barn or storage shed or where they housed animals. So, Amboy Crater is right off to the distance there. Yeah, pretty withered away. Desert's taking it all back. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Let's come around this. I don't know, but it goes down. Maybe for storage. Look like some birds or something were there. But yeah, this has a ladder, goes all the way down or up. So if you guys know what this is, let me know in the comments. But pretty cool. And then there's Roy's way off to the distance there, if you guys can see that. All right, guys, well, that's gonna wrap it up for me. I gotta get going home. It's about a 2-hour drive, 2.5-hour drive for me, so I'm pretty tired. Been up since about 4 this morning, and again, I got about a 2-hour drive ahead of me. So until next time, guys, please make sure you guys click like and subscribe to the channel. Always love to have new subscribers, and I will see you guys on the next outdoor adventure. Remember, be nice to each other, have a good time, have some fun under the sun, get outdoors, do what you got to do with your loved ones, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.